Alright everybody, the end of day 8 of our 10-day Permaculture Technology Jamboree. We got a big mess going on here. Been baking bread all day in the rocket oven, building some rocket heater, portable core, J-tubes, a little bit of an update on that one that's been here performing well for several years, but these are going to go home with people. And this is what we've been putting most of the work into, at least me anyway. This is a rocket heater engine, we're calling it, the rocket engine. It's portable. We've got these little loops here you can put in a bar, and you and a couple of friends can move it around. All the parts come off of it, like this big riser here that's insulated with 4 inches of ceramic board insulation, and the burn chamber itself is insulated with 4 inches of ceramic board insulation, but they detach from each other, and this feed tube is detachable. And these attachments that go on top, like, where's our forge box? Calling it the mini fridge forge, because it looks kind of like a mini fridge. It's right here. We got to make a door for it, but it's a small kiln and forge and crucible. There's a bigger kiln right under there that I talked about in a different video. But this is the water heater for our rocket hot tub. Basically, we put water from a little 12-volt pump. We pump it up through there, fills that tank, and comes out hot out of the top, and fills the hot tub. And eventually you take the pump out of your feed tank and you drop it into the hot tub to circulate gently to keep it warm. So we've got this tank set up, brazed, tapped, ready to go. It secures to the top of the riser. There's the inside of the riser right there. And so we're going to fire this up tomorrow, see how it works. Wish us luck. Tomorrow we'll also be working on making some things out of cob and finishing up our little kiln there. If we have time, the next couple of days, we'll install the cob sink we built last year. The solar and rocket food dehydrator has been in heavy use by the food people. There's a rocket course going on as part of the Permaculture Technology Jamboree, and there's a fermentation and dehydration food prep group learning things here, and they've been testing that rocket and solar food dehydrator, so I'll be happy to talk with them soon about what they're finding, because we just got it built. We didn't get a chance to even use it when we built it last year. So all sorts of fun stuff going on. Have a lovely evening from sunny Montana. Uncle Mud.